at Ramdhura, and this is the final day of my short 4-5 day trip. And today we will be seeing the Jalsa Bungalow, a park, some viewpoints, a little monastery, and let's see what else can I find out and show you. This has been a terrific 4-day trip for me. Let me know which one was your favorite out of all these days, and I will see you in a bit. So we are staying here in this homestay which our driver introduced to. This is a beautiful village in Ramdhura, and from up there we walked all the way down, and on the left there are several cottages, homestays, from which we had been living in one. And this is a backyard where beautiful birds and chirping hens were found, and it was time for us to explore something because we can't sit quiet for long. And now we are hiking down to reach this beautiful monastery we spotted. No one told us about this, but we spotted it on the way, and we loved to stop by and met this beautiful monk out there, and we had a great chat. I am into Buddhism, and I chant, and I was that time I did not chant when I went to this trip, and now I can beautifully relate to it. And if you follow me on Instagram, I post daily encouragements for you to feel good about your day, and this is a beautiful way to start the day. So we walked, hopped, skipped and jumped to reach this point. This small little circle over here is a park which looks very beautiful from the top above, and I will try to capture a view from here. So let's go. Hello! So I'm currently standing on the Himali Park in Ramdhura, and this place is actually a viewpoint from where you can see the Tista river, the roads, the mountains, and Kanchenjunga probably, but it's a foggy day so I'm not able to spot it. It's about 9 o'clock now and it's still foggy. There is a bit of sun, but the weather is quite nice. I'm not trying to be a weather reporter, but that's how it is. The view from here is breathtaking. I can see a road over there, and the hills, those little houses, those must be homestays or their private properties. You can see the Tista river, and that part is Sikkim, and we are standing in West Bengal. And in complete YouTuber style, I have something to say. Yo! So you got to share, like, subscribe. Before leaving from here, we took some amazing pictures, some random shots here and there. We really enjoyed our time and didn't want to leave this place because we were having so much fun clicking pictures. There was no one over there, not even a soul. And then while moving with our car, we have a puncture situation. We are waiting till he fixes this up, and till then we are going to take some pictures. Here are the pictures. And some more pictures. We are now next heading up to the Dham, which is uphill, and then we'll be coming back from this way and we'll be going to Jalsa Bungalow. Then there's a Lovers Point, and from there we will be going back to Siliguri. We will be reaching very early, so I'm planning to go to the Hong Kong market to shop and vlog for y'all. So let's hope for the best and let's see how far can I achieve all my targets for the day. So let's begin, let's roll. Finally, our car moved and we reached the Mahadev Dham, and we again hiked. I love hiking, guys. I mean, you might be getting bored seeing me hike throughout the trip, but I love hiking. And over here it is also hiking. And so we have finally reached the Mahadev Dham. So let's show you inside. So right now I'm standing at the Mahadev Dham, and that's the temple. There's a small fountain there and few small little temples here and there. It's a nice holy place, very quiet, calm, peaceful. In Ramdhura, this is one of the major attractions for the tourist. You have to climb uphill and then reach this point. It's all well for me because I love hiking nowadays. So cool. Though the main gate of this temple was very mini, but inside there were so many interesting things to see. Different small elements, just like this pond full of those black fishes. And this is the main temple wherein we went inside and felt so good. And there were some smaller temples also nearby, and that's how was our beautiful visit to Mahadev Dham. So that was Mahadev Dham. Jai Bholenath, Har Har Mahadev. Now we have reached the Jalsa Bungalow, which is my favorite of the day. So we have now reached the Jalsa Bungalow in Ramdhura, and this place looks like a mystery to me. So let's find out what's inside. After hiking so much, this bench is calling out my name to sit and relax for a bit. This place looks like perfect to read a book, to sit and look at the view, enjoy some me time and forget about everything else in this world. This place is truly peaceful and magical. This bungalow was made by the Britishers in the year 1930, and it was renamed by the Indian government in the name of Jalsa Bungalow, before which we did not know what was the name of this bungalow. And it is so peaceful, so beautiful, so heavenly. I can't even begin to express, guys, what I felt when I came here, and I swear on my mom I did not feel like coming back from here. But then driver bhaiya, Bhim bhaiya, he literally forced us out ki madam, you'll get late for your train, so let's go, you have to leave, you can again come back. But I'm leaving you with these pictures for you to judge what a beautiful place this was. And whenever you are in Ramdhura, do visit this place, guys. And finally we are on the way to home, and in the middle I spotted this, and I found it so beautiful. Looking at a distance, it looks like Maldives to me. Look at the color of the water, green, blue, and this is a dry sand out here, and this is the Teesta river, the bridge, and this journey has come to an end. But I wanted to finish it with some hot Vai-Vai. So let me know if you enjoyed this video series, and if you do, then please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.